Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today we're drawing Rora from BABYMONSTER, inspired by her look from the Psycho music video, but in a super fun cartoon style. If you're new here, don't forget to follow the channel and leave a like on this video. This really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep making more tutorials for you. So grab your pencil, relax, and let's start drawing. Let's start with Rora's expressive and beautiful eyes, slightly almond-shaped with that iconic triangular eyeliner. And remember, if any part feels difficult, pause the video and take your time. Draw the eyebrows, soft and slightly curved to match her facial expression. Now draw her small and delicate nose, which we'll later enhance with a soft pink tone. Add the model-style mouth, elegant and slightly defined for a confident expression. Let's go with some fun facts while we draw. Rora is a member of the K-pop girl group BABYMONSTER, formed by YG Entertainment. Her real name is Lee Dain. She is one of the Korean members of the group. Now shape the rounded and beautiful face, keeping the lines smooth and feminine. Add the ears and earrings, small but stylish, complementing the look. Start shaping the hair around the head, building volume. Later, we'll add subtle brown highlights during coloring. Draw the bangs covering part of the forehead, slightly overlapping the eyebrows. Before debuting in BABYMONSTER, Rora was already active in the entertainment industry as a child model and actress in South Korea. She was also part of a kids' girl group called USSO Girl, where she performed and gained early stage experience. Rora is known among fans for her natural charm and bright personality, often described as very warm and friendly. Even at a young age, she showed strong stage confidence, which helped her stand out during evaluations. BABYMONSTER members were selected through a highly competitive trainee system with very few spots available. In K-pop, idols often train not only in singing and dancing, but also in acting, languages, and media presence. Now create the long and delicate neck and add the spiked choker. If you're enjoying this drawing, leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want more tutorials like this, check out our BABYMONSTER playlist by clicking the card above. Also, tell me in the comments, which idol should be turned into a cartoon next? Let's draw the twin ponytails, flowing outward as if moving with the dance. Extend the ponytails further, keeping them long, curved, and dynamic. Rora trained for several years under YG before debuting. She gained attention during the pre-debut show Last Evaluation. BABYMONSTER officially debuted in 2024. The group combines vocals, rap, and strong dance performance. Rora is especially known for her clear vocal tone and stage charisma. She often stands out for her facial expressions during performances. YG Entertainment is known for producing global acts like Blackpink. K-pop idols usually go through intense training systems before debut. Performances often include complex choreography and visual storytelling. Sketch the slim torso, keeping elegant and natural proportions. Now draw the striped long sleeve top, fitting closely to the body. Outfits like this one reflect strong fashion concepts, often inspired by punk or streetwear. BABYMONSTER quickly built an international fan base. Many members, including Rora, show strong versatility in singing styles. Carefully add the horizontal stripes, keeping spacing consistent. K-pop music videos are designed to be visually striking and memorable. Shape the rounded hip area, beginning the structure of the skirt. Rora's visuals are often described as both cute and elegant. Draw the leather mini-skirt, simplified slightly for our cartoon style. Add the punk-style belt with studs around the waist. Fans often connect deeply with idols through performances and personality. The group represents a new generation of global K-pop artists. Add the studs across the skirt, evenly distributed. And just like in this drawing, K-pop blends music, fashion, and art into one experience. Now draw the hanging buckles and straps, giving that edgy fashion detail. The punk-inspired styling in this outfit reflects a common K-pop trend of mixing cute visuals with edgy fashion elements. Let's move to the left leg, long and elegant, slightly bent. Draw the platform gothic boot on the left leg with a chunky cartoon shape. the fishnet stocking on the left leg, simplified along with the garter belt detail connecting to the skirt. Now draw the right leg, maintaining the same proportions and pose. Add the right boot, matching the style of the left one. Draw the fishnet stocking on the right leg using the same simplified pattern. Sketch the left arm long and slender with the sleeve covering it and the hand relaxed near the thigh. Rora continues to grow as an artist, showing improvement in both vocal performance and stage presence. BABYMONSTER is considered one of the most anticipated new generation K-pop groups worldwide. Now draw the right arm raised, elbow bent, and forearm almost vertical, also with the long sleeve. Finally, draw the right hand near the face, forming the iconic horns gesture from the choreography. Many K-pop choreographies include signature hand gestures, like the horns pose we drew, making performances more memorable. And when coloring, use black, gray, and soft skin tones, but feel free to use any colors you like. And here's our Rora, full of attitude and rock star energy in cartoon form. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.